Hello and welcome to the Modversation, modification conversation. Today let's look at this TPMS sensor that plugs into your cigarette lighter, and then it has 4 sensors that go out to the tire valves. So you have a left, right, left, left front, left rear, right rear, and it Bluetooth connects to the adapter that plugs into your cigarette lighter. And I got a hub for it, so I can activate it from my little armrest, and it's got 2 USB plugs on the side, so I can also use my Garmin with it. So I can turn on the hub, and they both come on at the same time. So let's check it out. So I've been wanting one of these for a long time. I see these on Amazon, and I finally decided it was like $39. So you put these little 4 sensors on: left rear, left front, right rear, right front. And they go on pretty good. I mean, and they come with a safety lock, but no one's going to steal them. So I filled them up with 35, and I put them on. And I added this hub into the center console, and I plugged it into the cigarette lighter port. So right here you can see I can turn it on with one finger, beep, and this hub has a fuse in it. So if I do anything crazy, it'll blow that fuse first, 15 amp. So yep, so it comes on, and then I have the cord sort of secured, and it's also turns on the Garmin at the same time, my navigation system, which I've had for 2.5 years. It was refurbished for $50, and I have to mount it every time because I like the sunlight reflected off of the front and not hitting the dashboard. So the cable slips out of here, and it's tucked away in the dashboard protection panels. And then I just have this shrink wrapped kind of molded to the side there. And then it plugs in underneath. See, I have it plugged in to the original power port, cigarette lighter port. And then it, reads the 12 amps, the 12 volts, whatever. Yeah, 12 volts. And then, so yeah, it's great. So I installed it, and I used it for about 3 months, and it's still working great. It actually solved a valve stem problem that I had in the right rear. It's got a slow leak in it, and sometimes they only have 4 PSI in it. So I filled them up with 35 PSI, put them on, and I haven't had to add air in 3 months. And usually I come out to like a flat tire. So this thing works great, and I recommend it to anyone that wants to buy it. Amazon link in description. Cheers.